Dum bum 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 pa. Hey guys, this is my new house. Timmy's new house.
Boom.
Spelling.
I really like my new house. Hey guys, welcome back to vidsforkids.tv. Today, we're gonna take a tour of my new house. Now, we just bought it, but there's no furniture, we haven't moved in yet, but I thought it'd be a perfect time to take a tour of the new house. It'll be real cool. And I'll show you my room and stuff. So anyway, here is the front yard of my new house. And,
Oh, yeah.
now, let's go to the front door. That would be cool and fun. Front door. Front, F-R-O-N-T, front. Door, D-O-O-R, door. Front door. Okay, now here's the front door of my house. Let's go on in and I'll show you the rest. The rest. Woo, woo, woo. The rest. All right, now this is the hallway going in. And now let's go see the laundry room. Yeah, let's go to the laundry room. Laundry room. Laundry. L-A-U-N-D-R-Y. Laundry. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. Laundry room. Laundry room. Laundry room. Oh, my father's. That's where we wash clothes and whatnot. As Mercedes would say, whatnot. Okay. Alright, now that we're in the house, let's show you the garage that you could see outside when we're outside, you know, coming into the house. Let's go look inside the garage. Garage. G-A-R-A-G-E. Garage. Garage. Grandpa is gonna put his car, and Sarah, she'll put her bicycles and stuff up in there. And isn't this cool? Man, it's big. Man, is it cool. All right, now. Family room. Family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. Family room. Family room. Family room. Now, this is the family room. This is where we're going to watch TV and start fires in the fireplace and play video games and stuff. It'll be real cool and fun right here in the family room. Now, let's go to the kitchen. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Man, the kitchen is big too. Man, look at the refrigerator and the stove and the ovens and the counters and stuff. We're gonna make some bologna sandwiches and stuff that I thought it was a buffalo tail sandwich or something. It'll be cool and fun and yum, it'll be good. Now, let's go see my bedroom. Would you like to see my bedroom? All right, let's go. Bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom. Bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. Okay, now, let's see. Let's show you the bathroom. It's not very big. It's just got a tub and a shower and a kitchen, and a sink and a toilet and stuff. So, there's the bathroom. Hallway. H-A-L-L-W-A-Y. Hallway. 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 Yeah. Now, let's go back through the hallway to the family room. Outside in the backyard has this really cool garden. So come on, let's go look at it. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. 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 Wow, man, that is so cool. Look at all those flowers. Man, that is so pretty. I love a garden. I like planting stuff in the garden in the dirt, playing with the dirt, and then I gotta go to the bathroom in there and take a shower, take a bath, and get the dirt off me. All right, now let's get to the backyard and you can see the back of the house. Well, okay, everybody, that is the new house. And when we get some furniture and stuff in there, I'll show you my bedroom with everything in it, I think. But anyway, I hope you liked the tour. We'll see you next time on vidsforkids.tv. Bye. Girl.